Here's how to copy and paste on your iPhone keyboard. Now, let's walk through an example where, say, you're on a website. I'm on apple.com here, and say there's some text on here that I wanted to copy and paste somewhere else. Let's say I want to copy this text about the iPhone 16. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to tap and hold on that text, and you'll be able to see it pops up with selecting a specific text. And it has those two basically blue dots. I can move those around to select the text that I want to copy. And then you can see copy at the top left. I can tap on it. And then once we go into somewhere that you want to paste it, what you're going to do is just tap your finger at the cursor and you can hit paste. Now, a cool feature also is that you can use 3 fingers to swipe in and out to copy and paste. So I can take my 3 fingers here and swipe out, and you'll see it pastes. However, if you wanted to copy, I can say double tap to select, and I can take my 3 fingers and swipe in, and that will copy that text. Again, take your 3 fingers, swipe out to paste it. Now, let's say you're in a photo and you wanted to copy a specific photo. You can tap and hold on the photo here. And depending on where you are, it will pop up with a little message that will say, do you want to copy it? This will work on websites and things like that. But if you're in the Photos app, you're going to tap on the share icon at the bottom left. And there you'll be able to see copy photo. And let's hop back into the notes here. And I can either tap and hit paste, or again, I can use my 3 fingers and swipe out. And just like that, it will paste that photo into my notes or email, text, stuff like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.